Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix IMO black screen problem. Haniya na karo. This means that whenever you open up the IMO mobile application, this chat doesn't appear but a black screen does and IMO does not respond. So how to fix that? First of all, refresh the IMO page. After that, go to the App Store or Play Store and search for IMO mobile application and make sure that it is updated. If not, update it first. What other thing you can do is go to the mobile settings, scroll down and you should find apps. Click on apps and go to manage apps. Search for IMO and open it up. This same interface can be appeared by just going to the home screen, hold on IMO mobile application and go to the I button at the left side. Go to the storage, the first one, and at the bottom you can find clear data. Clear the cache memory. Once the cache memory is cleared, go back and now open up the IMO mobile application and the black screen should disappear. And that is how you can easily fix the black screen problem on IMO. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.